Ladies and gentlemen, truck lovers and adventure seekers, buckle up, because today we're diving into the all-new, totally revamped and long-awaited makeover of the Toyota Tacoma. Toyota just took things to the next level, and trust me, you're gonna love this. The new Tacoma is here, and it's packed with features that'll make you rethink everything you knew about mid-size trucks. Off-road warriors, tech lovers, and daily drivers. This one's got something for everyone. Let's break it down. Under the hood, Toyota gives you options. If you're going non-hybrid, you get a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder beast. But wait, it gets even better. There are two versions of this engine, a 228 horsepower variant for the entry-level SR and a much beefier I-Force version, cranking out up to 278 horsepower and a wild 317 pound-feet of torque. This baby gets from 0 to 60 in just 7 seconds. Quick, powerful, and efficient. Now that's a win. And what's a truck without serious hauling power? The new Tacoma tows up to 6,500 pounds and carries a payload of up to 1,705 pounds. Need more power? There's also a hybrid version, but that's a story for another video. Step inside and you'll see Toyota isn't playing around. The interior is completely redesigned with premium materials, a sleek new dashboard, and high-resolution digital displays. Depending on your trim, you get either a 7-inch or a massive 12.3-inch all-digital gauge cluster. And for all you tech heads, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. Yes, standard. Plus, if you want that next-level sound experience, you can upgrade to the JBL audio system. Talk about road trip vibes. Toyota gives you choices. Whether you're rolling with the extra cab and its 6-foot bed or the double cab, which lets you choose between a 5-foot or 6-foot bed, you'll have plenty of room for all your gear. New for 2025, Toyota has added front tow hooks on all models. Plus, the available auxiliary switches have been upgraded to handle 95 amps, up from 30. That means easier aftermarket upgrades and more power for your custom mods. And let's talk colors. The bold Terra paint is now available for all TRD models. Oh, and for those who want a little extra style, the new Tacoma Trailhunter comes with standout red-painted tow hooks. Small details, big impact. All right, let's talk numbers. The 2025 Tacoma starts at $33,085 for the base model and can go all the way up to $54,050 if you're looking for all the bells and whistles. But with everything it brings to the table, this truck is worth it. So what do you think? Is the 2025 Toyota Tacoma the midsize truck king? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more epic car and truck content, and ring that bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep those wheels rolling.